Good morning. This is Karthikeyan Ramanathan, Senior Vice President of Zebu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about the top performing FMCG companies to invest in future. So we have analyzed with certain parameters. In this FMCG company means fast moving consumer goods. So in these companies we have categorized based on that CAGR. CAGR means compounding annual growth rate. So based on that the basic value has been taken for 1 lakh rupees invested before 5 years back. For example, if you invested 1 lakh rupees in the year 2016, for example, CAGR price, compounding of annual growth CAGR price is 42.2%. So for example, if you invested 1 lakh rupees, that 1 lakh rupees is grown up around nearly 5.85 lakh today. So and then if you invested with the Tata Consumer Products, that value will be around nearly 5.7 lakh today. If you invested in Nestle India, they have given nearly 26.8% CAGR, and then now the value would be around nearly 3.28. And then if you invested Reliant Hindustan Lever, the value would be around nearly 2.65 lakhs. If you invested in Britannia Industries, that value would be around nearly 2.5 lakh. If you invested in P&G, now the value would be around nearly 2.24 lakh. And then if you invested with the Dabur, the value would be around nearly 2.14 lakh. If you invested with the Colgate Palmolive, that value would be around nearly 1.88 lakh. If you invested the last 5 years back, you can get this much of portfolio at present. So the average, the multiplier is average year on year, we can get 100% like this. For example, if you invested 1 lakh rupees, every year you can get 1 lakh rupee as a profitability. So this kind of thing you can get amazing results. The top two performing company in this last 5 years is Jubilant Food and Tata Consumer Products. So you can focus this kind of companies in future to build your future portfolio and wealth kind of thing. So if you want to categorize and select stocks like this, you can get a beautiful return in future also. So we can discuss over there through graph how the Jubilant Food was performed in past. This is Jubilant Food graph. In Jubilant Food in the year 2014, it was traded around nearly 625 rupees. Now the price is trading around nearly 3,832 rupees. Recently, market has reached the recent high of 4,590 something. So now the market is trading around 3,832. So consecutively, we can look that Jubilant Food is giving a gradual growth, and then it hit a higher highs. The market is traded with the higher lows also. So we can find higher lows of Jubilant Foods in this area. So now the clear trend is clear bullish. So as an investor, if you want to look for a long term basis, you can prefer with these stocks. So if the market direction also in a bullish condition, the maximum downside we can expect at present is 3,480 range. So now we can start accumulating the stocks as of now. Then the highest probability is there to reach again for the range of almost 4,590 something. So again the market will hit in a new high, so that the company is having a strong fundamental and then strong investor base also. So you can accumulate the stocks for a long term basis in future. Thank you so much. Wish you have a happy trading.